Hello students, welcome to Breedmark Academy. Myself L.S. Nanda. Now in today's video, I am going to discuss the solution of a mathematics question that was asked in one of the shifts of JEE Main 2025 January session exam. This question is based on the topic of permutations and combinations. It says the number of 6-letter words with or without meaning that can be formed using the letters of the word maths such that any letter that appears in the word must appear at least twice is. Now students, in this question we have to find the total number of 6-letter words with or without meaning that can be formed by using the letters of the word maths, and the condition is that any letter that appears in the word must appear at least twice. That means any letter of the word must appear exactly 2 number of times or more than 2 number of times. Now students, we will list all the possible cases. The first case is when we form a 6-letter word by using one distinct letter. That means we will form a 6-letter word by using just one letter. Now since there are 5 letters in the word maths, so clearly 5 such words can be formed. Now suppose I have selected M, then I will be filling all the places of the word by the letter M. Similarly, if I have chosen A, then I will be filling all the places of the word by the letter A, and so on. Now students, the second case is when there are 2 distinct letters in this 6-letter word. Now to find the total number of 6-letter words in the second case, first of all, we will select 2 letters out of these 5 letters. So this can be done in 5C2 ways. That means there are total 10 such selections of 2 distinct letters. Now let's consider one such selection. Suppose I have selected M and A. Now students, if I have to form a 6-letter word by using the letters M and A, then I have to consider 3 subcases. The first subcase is when I will be forming a word by writing M 2 number of times and A 4 number of times. The second subcase can be when I will form a word by writing M 4 number of times and A 2 number of times. And the third subcase is when I will be writing both of these letters same number of times. That means both of them will be written 3 number of times. Now students, first of all, we will find the total number of words that can be formed by arranging these 2 letters, and then we will multiply it with 5C2 because there are 10 such selection of 2 distinct letters. So the total number of words becomes 5C2 into factorial 6 divided upon factorial 4 into factorial 2 into 2. Why 2? Because I have covered both of these cases. Then we have plus factorial 6 divided upon factorial 3 into factorial 3. This is for the third subcase. Now students, let's find its value. It becomes 10 into inside the bracket factorial 6 upon factorial 4 into factorial 2. It becomes 5 into 6 divided by 2, and then we have into 2 again. It becomes 5 into 6, which is 30. And factorial 6 upon factorial 3 into factorial 3 becomes 4 into 5 into 6 divided by 6, which is 20. So finally this becomes 50 into 10, which is 500. Now students, we discuss the last case. Now students, in the third case, we will form a 6-letter word by using 3 distinct letters. So clearly, each of these 3 distinct letters will be written 2 number of times. So it becomes 5C3 into, inside the bracket, factorial 6 divided upon factorial 2 into factorial 2 into factorial 2. So this becomes 5C3 is again 10 into, inside the bracket, now we have 3 into 4 into 5 into 6 divided upon factorial 2 into factorial 2, which is nothing but 4. So 4 gets cancelled up and down. It becomes 10 into 90, and this is 900. Now students, we will add the number of words obtained from all the cases. So it becomes 5 plus 500 plus 900. So finally we get 1405. So this is the right answer of the question. Now students, in my next video, I will discuss the solution of another question from previous year questions of JEE Main or JEE Advanced. Till then, goodbye. Keep watching my videos and enhance your knowledge of mathematics. Thanks.